Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart for Home, the go-to place for all things tech. Today, we've got something special for all you LG Smart TV users out there. Ever wondered how to unlock hidden features and access the service mode on your LG Smart TV? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around as we guide you through the process step by step. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest tech tips and tricks. Now, let's get down to business. Here are the steps to enter service mode on your LG Smart TV. Step 1. Access the home screen. First, make sure your TV is turned on and that you're on the home screen. Step 2. Open the settings menu. Navigate to the settings menu. You can usually find it by pressing the gear icon on your remote control. Step 3. Enter the service menu. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky. To access the service menu, you'll need to enter a specific code. On your remote control, press 9876. That's 9876 in quick succession. Step 4. Explore the service mode. If done correctly, you should now be in the service mode menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options and settings. Be extremely careful with any changes you make, as they can impact your TV's performance. Warning. A quick warning. Avoid making changes unless you know what you're doing. Incorrect settings could lead to issues, and it's always best to leave certain adjustments to professionals. Conclusion. And there you have it. A quick guide on how to activate service mode on your LG Smart TV. Remember, this is for advanced users who are comfortable exploring these settings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments. If you have any other tech topics you'd like us to cover, drop your suggestions below. Until next time, this is Tony signing off. Happy tinkering.